The 50-30-20 rule. Stay tuned to learn how it can help you budget and improve your financial situation. First, let's unravel the mystery of the 50-30-20 rule. Picture your income as a pie. The rule slices this pie into three essential portions: 50% for essentials, which include your fixed costs like rent, utilities, and groceries; 30% for lifestyle, which covers discretionary spending on dining out, entertainment, and hobbies; and the last 20% for savings and debt repayment, helping you to secure your financial future and reduce debt. Why should you consider the 50-30-20 rule, you ask? The answer lies in its simplicity, balance, and goal-oriented approach. It fosters a healthy financial equilibrium between your immediate needs and long-term aspirations. Applying the 50-30-20 rule is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, calculate your after-tax income. Then, divide it into the three categories. Finally, adjust your budget to meet these percentages and automate your savings to ensure you save 20% of your income each month. For those of you who like to go the extra mile, here are some tips for success. Start by tracking your spending. Next, build an emergency fund. Prioritize debt repayment, and don't forget to regularly review and adjust your budget. Let's bring this into perspective with two real-life examples. Meet Sarah, a young professional earning $4,000 a month. She allocates $2,000 to essentials, $1,200 to lifestyle, and $800 to savings and debt repayment. Then there's John and Lisa, a family of 4 with a $6,000 monthly income. They allocate $3,000 to essentials, $1,800 to lifestyle, and $1,200 to savings and debt repayment. So, what's the takeaway? The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful tool for managing your money and hitting your financial targets. Remember, it's flexible, so feel free to tweak it to fit your unique situation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial wisdom. We'd love to hear your experiences with the 50-30-20 rule, so drop your stories in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.